Hey, TJ Rose here with MarineMax. Today we're on board the SDX Outboard 270. So this is the Sea Ray 270 Sun Deck Outboard version. We've got a Mercury Verado 300 horsepower engine there on the back. This particular boat's got a great feature here. This is the sun pad area. These actually flip up so that they're very comfortable to sit on. Kind of nice knee support. You've got a tow option here with your tow bar, and then also on top of the arch, you can tow from there as well. Nice walk-through transom here. This has the optional sea deck matting on it, so it's going to be very soft on your feet, very comfortable. You know, when you're getting back on the boat, there's a stereo head unit there, so you can control your stereo. If you're hanging out on the back, there's a nice step that flips down. So if you do dock on the starboard side of the boat, you can very easily get in and out of the boat. Walking into the cockpit, again, great walk-through transom area. There's plenty of cup holders on here. There's even some cup holders here under the seat that you can't see. Nice L-shaped seating here, nice bench seat here, all with storage underneath. There's a table that sets up right here, so you can have lunch, have a cocktail on the back of the boat. Moving forward, so these seats are fantastic. They actually both flip forward, so you can make a lounger out of it, and see where you're going, where you came from. Either option. They do have flip-up thigh-rise bolsters on them, so they're comfortable to sit on when you're running the boat. This seat does the same. Got a Simrad GPS unit in here. This is also going to have all your engine functions on the screen. You can also flip over to a chart plotter on there, so it's an all-in-one combination unit. I got another stereo head unit here. 270 Sun Deck, one of the greatest features is the head that we have here. Nice enclosed head down there, so if you're out day boating, you can just stay on the boat all day long. Great walk-through windshield. Plenty of seating up here in the bow with these flip-up armrests right here. Storage underneath, and again, that same table you can put here in the bow area as well. And then also one of the signature features here of the of the Sun Deck series is you can put this ladder down if you pull up to a beach, so it's easy to get in and out of. And there's also a forward freshwater washdown right here. So again, this is a 2018 Sea Ray 270 Sun Deck with an outboard engine on it. Love to deliver it to you this summer. She's ready to go. Visit us at MarineMax today. Thanks.